Hello everyone, today we are going to learn try and accept. So, I will be telling you try and accept with the help of a program. So, I'm writing that program. Now we will be running this program. Sorry, we are getting an error. Let me see what's the error in the program. Oh, I have added two codes here. That is why it was giving error. Now it's fine. Now I will be entering a number 2 here, and this have given us the sum of these two numbers is 3. And now if we write here print this line is important and execute it. 2 4 and this have given me this line is important. After that, sorry for the inconvenience, if I give it an give it a suppose I have given e as input, so it will give us error and it have not executed the rest of the program. And if we give an alphabet as input in num1, so here also we get error and the rest of the program will not run. So for that we use this program which I'm going to write, and we will be running this program. Here I have done the major minor changes, like here which in num1 I had typecasted it into int, but we do not have to typecast it into int here. We will be typecasting it into in when we will be writing print the sum of two numbers. And we will be using try and except function, so that the program where we get error after that the rest of the program can execute. As you can see, I'm writing 1 and I'm writing e, so here I'm getting an error like invalid in literal because I have written e and e is not an integer, and but it is executing the program after the error. So here we can see this line is very important. And if we and and if we give number 1 as any alphabet like this, so this will also give us error at the fifth line, because here at the fifth line we have typecasted it into integer, so the error will be on the fifth line and the line after the fifth line will be executed. That is all about try and accept functions. Try and accept functions are used to run a program after a error. Okay, so thank you for